If you want to use Chrome in dark mode, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to reduce eye strain, make browsing easier at night, and give your browser a cleaner, modern look. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three vertical dots, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, choose Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can customize different parts of your browser. On the left side of the settings menu, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels. Now look for the Mode option. In the drop-down list next to Mode, select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, Chrome will switch to dark mode, and the browser interface will update immediately. That means your tabs, menus, and settings pages will now appear in a darker theme, which can be much easier on the eyes, especially when you're browsing in low light. And that's it. You've successfully changed Chrome to dark mode. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.